Hi guys, it's me, Megan Dazanaki, coming back at you. Today we're doing a little skincare fresh face look coming at you, starting off with some HeyHoney Tone It Up Propolis and Echinacea Herbal Toner. This is good for all skin types. I usually go ahead and use a toner on to just a little toilet paper square, as you can see here. And I'm going to go ahead and put this all over my face and down my neck. I use toner to make sure that all of the makeup is off of my face, to cleanse my skin of any oils, to really purify and balance the skin so it's ready for whatever skincare products, hydration, moisturizers that we're about to put into it. Also helps to sweep away the surface debris. Like I said, it's just a natural barrier. It's trying to clean up that skin so that it's ready for what we're going to do today. So making sure we get that all the way down to the collarbone. And next I'm going to go in with some eye cream. This is from 111 Skin. This is their Space Defense Bright Eye Lift Gel. This is a gel contour. You don't want to apply this with your index finger. You want to go ahead with your middle or ring finger so you can gently apply this to the delicate area under your eye. I think it's really important to use an eye cream because I naturally, just from like hereditary, I have eye bags. They get dark, you know, your girl gets sleepy, she get tired. We just want to moisturize and hydrate that, going for that longevity of our skin and keeping our skincare, you know, on point. So real gentle just in that areas. And then for my moisturizer for all over my skin, I'm going to go ahead with the Tatcha, their Dewy Skin Cream. This is a replenishing Japanese purple rice. It's specifically for dry skin. And I've noticed that with using this product, it definitely helps with some redness or irritation I have on the skin. I've been mixing it with this Foundation of Truth Skin Nutrition Serum. I've been using it in Calm because, as you can see, I've got some breakouts on my face, some redness. So this is a nice little serum if you're not trying to do too much, if you're not trying to do a layer of moisturizer and a layer of serum. I like to add a few drops of this face serum into my moisturizer and I mix it together, and then I'll go ahead and put that onto the skin. I've been trying a variety of different face serums lately. Sometimes that's just what I use, like if I'm before I go to bed, you know, after shower, or if I'm not putting makeup on for the day, I might apply a more thick face serum or like really coat it on there to really seep into my skin, or I'll do a vitamin C serum a lot of times. But I really like this Fountain of Truth line. I have a few of their face serums. There's one for calm, one for brightening, and then there's a third one. I can't remember what it does, but they're all great. I like to mix them into either my face wash or my moisturizer like I did here to really get in there. Again, we're avoiding the under eye area because we've already moisturized that. So just really making sure that my whole skin, neck, again, all the way down to the collarbone, that whole area that we tone, we want to moisturize all of that. You cannot forget the neck, honey. Don't do it. So then I pulled out my Jade Roller. This pretty much lives in my freezer. So I'm really going to focus on the under eye area. Ooh, that's cold. And ooh, man, that was really, really cold. Like I said, it lives in my freezer, so it's especially good for depuffing if you've got redness. So that's why I'm really focusing on the under eyes. I use that smaller end for the under eyes. Really make sure I focus in going back and forth in different directions, promote circulation, helps with wrinkles, fine lines, all those things that we want to take care of. I've got my little acne irritation area. I'm definitely going to put that cold Jade Roller on there because, as we all should know, icing down some irritations will definitely help to reduce inflammation. Next in, we're going to go in with one of my favorite mascaras that I got from ipsy. This is their collection with Betty Boop, their Blink and Wink mascara. This has become one of my favorite mascaras. This is like my go-to. When I apply mascara, I like to go down first. Of course, you know, when I'm recording this, I get it on my skin. But I like to coat the top of my lashes first, and to really get the darkening, get the lengthening aspects of the mascara, and then I like to curl them up. I think it really helps with curling, with having the hold with your mascara, hold on your lashes, especially because I don't use a lash curler, because my natural lashes are just so long and luscious anyways. But yeah, I just like to add that little oomph there. I think it really helps. And then for my bottom lashes, I've been using this ItSugar Cosmetics, their Uptown Girl Lengthening Mascara. I really just use this because it's got smaller bristles, smaller, shorter bristles, more fine, so it can really define the lower lashes and make them pop. It also helps me so that I don't get mascara on my skin. You notice a lot of times when you've got a big brush on those lower lashes, I seem to make a mess, so I just go for the itty bitty. Next, I'm going with some highlighter. This is from Space Case Cosmetics. Their Scene from Space 1A highlighter. Like I said, I'm just going for a pretty natural look today. So this is a nice little shimmer. It's not, I mean, obviously it's highlighter, so it's going to have shimmer in it, but it doesn't have big flecks of glitter or anything like that. It's a nice shimmery gold, so it's looking fairly natural. I was kind of checking my skin to see if it was dry yet from that moisturizer, because I really want to make sure that soaks in before I put this little touch of makeup on there. So I highlight my brow bone, you know, obviously the cheekbones, get a little bit on the bridge of the nose, like that little tip of the nose to have a little shine. Sometimes I do the Cupid's bow, sometimes not, or we'll get the little dimple. So she's looking nice and fresh and dewy. Next, I'm going with the lip. We're going to take it on NYX Cosmetics. This is one of their matte lipsticks in San Francisco. It's a nice soft matte. It's not too drying. It's fairly long lasting. You might have to touch it up within the day a little bit if you eat or drink, but usually it gives my lips, I think, a nice little bit of a stain. So even as it does start to wear off, it doesn't really look like it has come off. So there we have it. Nice, fresh, dewy. I'm letting my skin breathe. We're really just here for a moisturizer for a nice, simple, natural, glowy look to the skin. So there we have it. There you go. Thank you so much for watching, and